Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the beautiful Aulani here in Oahu, Hawaii. I'm still on vacation, as you can tell. You've probably seen a couple of my Hawaii vacation videos already, including my recent Cartier unboxing. Check it out, link below. But today I'm coming at you with a Louis Vuitton accessory unboxing and an SLG unboxing. If you want to check out what I picked up from Louis Vuitton, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked down below, and please consider hitting that subscribe button as well. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching yet another video. So you guys are literally in the middle of my little series of what I've been doing here in Hawaii. We are here on vacation with the family, staying at Aulani, the Disney resort on Oahu. We've been here before, as you guys probably know. We totally love it for the family. So that's where we're at. I put together a vlog of this trip, and I'm also going to do a few luxury unboxing as I always do, because I love shopping luxury in Hawaii. I know you've heard about this before probably, but many boutiques in Hawaii do offer an extra Hawaii discount. And the sales tax in Hawaii is also on the lower side. It's about 4.7%, which for me, coming from California, is a pretty huge savings as well. So I always buy a few things for me from luxury stores in Hawaii, and I often put together a little bit of a wish list before I actually come here, and then I try to find the items that I'm looking for. So for this video, I'm going to share with you guys just two pieces. It's a double unboxing, but it's an accessory piece and it's an SLG that I had my eye on for a little bit of time now, and I was really happy that they had it in stock. I will say, let me be silent for a minute, you can hear a luau outside. So hopefully this ambiance doesn't bother you too much. I will try to mute it a little bit. It is kind of nice though, but literally outside our window there is a full-on luau, and they are practicing though. It's not evening yet, so they are practicing for the luau. But I wanted to get this video filmed because I have decent lighting, and I also want to use these items on this trip, so we gotta unbox them. Okay, so here are my two items. They came in the typical Louis Vuitton bag. So sometimes they do have limited edition Hawaii Louis Vuitton bags or packaging. I did get that last time with my purchase. This time they didn't have it, or actually I didn't even bother asking because I don't care too much about it. But sometimes they do have some really special limited edition bags, I will say. But this time it's just a regular bag, which is fine. And I do have my receipt here because Louis Vuitton does offer Hawaii pricing. So I will share with you guys the price I paid in Hawaii and the retail price on the website currently. So you can do a little bit of comparison to see if some of these items are worthwhile picking up for you if you're on vacation. Alright, so let me go ahead and just show you the first little box here. These are beautifully wrapped, of course, so let me go ahead and take a look. I have not opened these up since I saw them at the boutique, and I will say the stock at the Aulani store where I was at was pretty good. They had a lot of items available to look at, which was pretty nice, and there really wasn't a long line at all to get in. So here is this box. It's a really cute little square box, and it's a felt pouch, so it's a piece of jewelry. And I will say that this is not fine jewelry, it's fashion jewelry, but I had my eye on this piece for quite some time. Let me go ahead and show you guys up close. Okay, so here is what I got. These are the Louisette earrings, or Louisette earrings, I believe. And this one is in the beautiful gold and silver tone. There's a little LV etched on the bottom. I'm not sure you can see that. But these are really cool and edgy, and they're fashion or costume jewelry, but I love these. For instance, I love my Dior tribals or tribalis earrings. So these I think are pretty similar, and I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of them. That's why I got the basic gold and silver combo. But there are a lot of other cool combos. Basically, this is the stud that goes in your ear, and then this goes behind your lobe. Let me go ahead and try them on for you. Okay, so here is what they look like on. Let me fix them a little bit here. So again, the gold piece is the little stud that you stick through your ear piercing, and then the back part you just clip on or attach through the little piece there, and it looks like this. So I think these are so cool and edgy. They definitely have some heft and weight, I will say, but I don't think they're too heavy. I cannot deal with heavy earrings, so I think these are okay for me, which I really love, and I think they look really cool. They do remind me a little bit of the Tribalis earrings or Tribals earrings from Dior, but I will definitely use these. I think these look really great, so I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video, but this was definitely something I had my eye on. If these work out, I may try to get some of the other styles too, because I think they really are great quality for fashion jewelry. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about price points, and hopefully you'll find this kind of interesting and helpful. So on the website, the Louisette earrings retail for $450 in this original version. They do make a macro version, which is higher in price point, but those are huge. These are the originals. They retail for $450. So I actually paid $410 for this, so I got a little bit of savings. Not crazy good, but hey, I will take it. So that's what I paid for that one. And then the second item I picked up here is the SLG I was talking about. This is a new release that I think I've seen come out pretty recently, and I just fell in love with this, so I had to check it out. So it comes in this box, and let me reveal this to you guys up close. So here, of course, is the dust bag, and this is the beautiful Rosalie in the reverse monogram. So this is not a new item, but the reverse monogram is a pretty new release, which I just love the look of this little cute SLG. I do not own the Rosalie, so I was excited to add this. It has the gold tone button, which is also what I like. I don't love the leather coated buttons because of wear concerns, so I don't mind scratches or some tarnishing. I think it's better than if the leather wears off. So I do like that it's a gold tone button. Love the reverse print, but what was the game changer with this release is this back pocket. So the original Rosalies in all the other versions, including the full leather on-prom versions, I do not believe have back pockets. So this version does. So I'm gonna keep my most used credit card back here for easy access. So I love that part of it. And then it's the typical snap closure, so you can just open it up like this. And this one here is made in Spain, as you will see. And I love the Rosalie because it seems like it's going to be super functional, because it has the beautiful zipper here so that you can put some coins, which I probably will, just a few coins, you know, for parking meters and whatnot. I love how the interior is lined with black leather because it won't show coin residue. So here is the SKU tag and the textile card. And if you're curious, it's a Rosalie monogram reverse. And what I like about this is there's just organization. It's a pretty big gusseted main pocket. It's black, so it's hard to see, but there is a slip pocket in the front. There's a slip pocket here in the back, and there is the larger slip pocket for the full length in the very back. So it's going to be really great to just organize things. I do like how this is a pretty big compartment to hold a decent stack of cards. So I just love the setup. I love the black with monogram, with the reverse as well. But honestly, what drew me to this is really this back pocket. I mean, that's super, super functional. So besides the Rosalie, I did also look at the reverse monogram print in a couple of other different SLGs, including the Victorine wallet, which is a little too big for me because I have larger wallets already. I wanted a real compact one, so I passed on that. I also almost picked up the Recto Verso. I do not own that style yet, but it just seemed like there's a lot going on, and that's what the sales associate told me too, is with the Recto Verso, because you have the key clip, the cards in the back, the pocket in the front, a couple other slip pockets. There's just a lot going on, and it can easily get bulked up because of that. So my sales associate actually said she preferred this version, so I kind of went with that, and I think I agree. I think the main difference really is the key fob that the Recto Verso has, but in terms of carrying capacity, I think this one definitely is just as good, if not even better, because of the huge gusset here. And I just loved the back pocket, honestly, and I think it's so adorable with the reverse monogram. So I went with this Rosalie. I was really happy they had it in stock because, again, it's relatively new. So according to the website, here are my trusty notes. The Rosalie in the reverse monogram print retails for $455. And in Hawaii here, I paid $415. So again, a pretty decent savings if you ask me. Not bad at all. So I was really happy I was able to pick this little cute SLG up. So as per usual, I will do a full review of this beautiful coin purse and let you know what I think going forward, let you know about wear and tear and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that upcoming video. But I was really happy to be able to add this to my little growing SLG collection. So if you own either this item or the beautiful earrings, comment down below. Let me know what you think of them, what your thoughts are in terms of wear and tear, whether or not they work for your lifestyle. I'm always curious to see how you incorporate these pieces into your collections. Thank you so much for watching this quick little double unboxing. Stay tuned for one more Louis Vuitton unboxing here from Hawaii. And I really hope you're staying safe and healthy. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.